I slipped and got drunk again. Silly old me always lets my addiction win. Now my countertop's riddled with a handful of Ritalins and a wide assortment of other prescription medicines. I've been eating up drugs like the M&Ms. I'll treat a Percocet like a vitamin. Even though Fred Flintstone doesn't have a taste for the substance I'm indulging in, I think my brains are turning into a liquid, and it makes it kinda hard to form a sentence. I never should've took a toke off the devil's lettuce. So no, I don't wanna smoke your marijuana. I'll try anything but goddamn marijuana. I'd rather do crack than marijuana. I don't wanna smoke that marijuana. No, I don't want to smoke your marijuana. No, I don't. No, I don't. I've done every drug on planet Earth, but when I get high on weed, it feels like I've been put under some sort of curse. Sometimes it's not bad, other times it's worse. It makes me feel like an alien, like I'm stuck in a world that's just pretend. It makes everybody's faces way too realistic, and their personalities so fake they could be made out of plastic. It's way too psychedelic for my gentle little melon. It basically makes me hallucinate. So when it comes to that little green bag of dope, I never have fun. There's 1,000 other drugs I'd like to smoke. We can get high on angel dust, we can catch a buzz on every drug, but if you're smoking weed, don't pass me none, cause I trip out when I hit the bud. So no, I don't wanna smoke your marijuana. I'll try anything but that goddamn marijuana. I'd do anything but marijuana. I don't wanna smoke that